Hi everyone, I'm Amy from Sandoczka. This product was sent to me as a gift from the brand so I could share my honest opinion. Let's unbox this 4-liter smart pot together and test it out with a quick recipe. The pot itself feels sturdy and the 4-liter capacity is perfect for family meals or small gatherings. The handle feels comfortable and well built, and the non-stick coating on the inside seems smooth and durable. The controls are simple. There's a timer, temperature, settings, and even a standby mode for meal prep. For the demonstration, I'm making a simple chicken stir fry with vegetables. Here's what I'm using: 3 chicken thighs cut into bite sized pieces. I add some garlic salt, soy sauce, and teriyaki and let marinate a bit. So we have 1 chopped red bell pepper, 2 sliced green zucchini, 1 large portion of broccoli florets, and some grated carrots. And I'm also making white rice to round out the meal. First, I heat the pot on the cooking setting and add a splash of oil. The pot heats up quickly and is ready to use in less than a minute. I start with the chicken, adding it to the pot. The non-stick coating works great. It doesn't stick at all. Once it's cooked, I take it out and add the vegetables. The vegetables are evenly sauteed and nothing burns. I let it cook for a while. I add a splash of soy sauce, teriyaki, and garlic powder and mix it all together. I add the chicken back in, and in just about 25 minutes, everything is perfectly cooked. Tender vegetables, juicy chicken, and full of flavor. I pair it with some white rice I made earlier, and it makes for a complete and balanced meal. Cleanup is as easy as I expected. A quick wipe, and it's ready for the next meal. If you like to cook simple and delicious meals, this hot pot makes it very easy and convenient. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.